Get acquainted with the 2018 Ford F-150. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a hard-working Ford F-150, the light-duty, full-size pickup that leverages high-strength steel and military-grade aluminum alloy to bring you class-leading payload and towing capabilities. Easier than ever to use, this truck is designed to maximize productivity on the road, trail, or job site. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, fog lamps, electronic stability control, trailer hitch, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes. Get more out of a light-duty pickup than you ever thought possible. This F-150 is waiting just for you. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.